I didn't even see you guys there, even though I got someone to record me. Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Loma, aka Momea Chokes. I'm here at GMANA. And you know what's going down this Saturday? If you're not doing anything, I want you to, you know what, cancel everything. Come down to GMANA. We got free barbecue. I mean, come on, free barbecue. Bring the family, bring everyone, bring your friends. And we got a live band singing your favorite classic jams the whole day. We got E.T. and Millie on the mic. So come down, we got all your cars. There's way more cars than this behind me. More beautiful cars, more colors, more shapes and sizes. So guys, GMANA is where it's at. If you need a car, you're over 18, you got no license, like me, I used to drive for years with no license, full learners. Come down, we can help you. GMANA, the answer is yes!
People.